excited to be participating in another challenge. And this one is Home Sweet Home. It is hosted by Junkernecker and co-hosted by Indi-Annie Jones. Leah from Junkernecker, she has all kinds of DIYs, trash to treasure, a lot of fun looking things to make. And I appreciate her hosting this challenge. And Annie from Indi-Annie Jones, she has a lot of fun stuff on her page. I mean, she looks like she has a lot of fun. And she does a lot of crafts. She streams a lot of her videos. And she does some cosplay. And it's hilarious. Both of their videos will be listed down below in the description box, as well as the playlist. So I think this is going to be a lot of fun. We have to use anything that's bird related, and we have to have a bird. So can't wait to see what everybody has. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I made this project in my very first video that I did for YouTube. I'll link it up in the iCards. And I do get tired of stuff, so I decided to redo it. Since the 4th of July will be coming up before you know it, I thought I would go patriotic. I had my red bird, so I put it in the cage and I just filled in with the blue flowers. I just pulled the flowers out to make it look like it was growing out of the cage. I added in some white berries from greenery that I had. I think my bird looked happy, but I wanted to decorate the top of the cage. I used some patriotic ribbon that I had gotten at Walmart and just made a simple bow. I took some silver ribbon, rickrack, I'm not sure exactly what it is, and I just made another little bow to go on top of the other bow to make it look more festive. And then I just tied it up to the top of the cage with the chenille stem. I just fluffed and arranged the bow and clipped the ends to make it look nice. I've had these stickers for a while. I think I got them from Dollar Tree, but I'm not 100% sure. But I decided to use them to decorate my cage also. I put one in the center to hide the chenille stem, and then I just stuck them around on the cage and in the back of the cage to make it look more patriotic. And here's the finished result. I think it looks cute, and it goes well with the other patriotic stuff I did for another challenge. Bushy's keeping an eye on that bird. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, ring that bell, and until next time, bye.